In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a meeting private in Outlook. Whether you're managing a busy team or just organizing your schedule, it's important to ensure that sensitive information stays confidential. Luckily, Outlook makes that easy with a few simple steps. First, let's head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can access it from your browser by going to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Make sure you're using the correct link to avoid any phishing scams. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your email and password. Be sure to input your credentials correctly to gain access to your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, double check your device for any security codes you might need to input as well. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard of Outlook. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice several icons. Here you should look for the calendar icon and click it. This will take you to your calendar view where you manage all your meetings and appointments. Next, scroll through your calendar to find the specific meeting that you would like to make private. Click on that meeting and a new window will pop up showing the meeting details. It's important that you're careful to select the right meeting, especially if you have multiple entries on the same day. Once inside the meeting details, you'll want to click on the Edit option. You'll find this option typically at the top or side of the window. By doing this, you allow changes to be made to the meeting settings. Now look for the option that says More Options. Clicking this will reveal additional settings for the meeting. These settings offer greater control over how your meeting details are shared and displayed. Here's the crucial step. Locate the option labeled Private. By selecting this, you make the meeting private, ensuring that its details are hidden from other calendar users who are not invited to the meeting. This is particularly useful in a shared workspace where privacy is a priority. Finally, after checking everything over and making sure you've set the meeting to private, click on the Save button. Ensuring you save your changes is critical because failing to do so might lead to the meeting remaining public. Always double check that your meeting has been saved as a private event. And there you have it. With just these straightforward steps, your meeting is now private in Outlook. Make sure to follow these instructions whenever you need to keep the details of your meetings confidential. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your schedule with peace of mind.